Hey guys, it's me, Stuffbox here, and today we have a lot of noise. That's because we're playing an amazing game that I just had to install on my computer called Petz 4. This is nice. I made a mouse hole like right here. My guy's pointing at it. Though you can see this isn't actually where you start. You usually start off here. Dogs, 4 cats. And yes, at the end, I'm gonna show you guys how to download it, and I'll put all the links in the description. So first you're gonna say pick a pet. You can pick one of these, or I believe there's actually ways you can add things add them in. Let's do a dash and see he'll come out. See, I have a Petz. I can't even pronounce it correct because it's a Z. How do you do that? See, I have a lot, except luckily I have a little, cheat to help me with this game. So like every minute I can just go whoop, fix them all. I'll show you guys that, which you need that to actually load this game because Windows 10 is not going to load it itself. So we can name it, and my name is not Aubrey, it is Seth. Pet's name. Well, the pet's name you can pick. Pet. No, that's not how you spell weenie. Okay. I'm just gonna name him something like Lucky. I don't know. You can use any name. Oh yeah. Long and Lucky. You have your adoption pledge. Long and Lucky the dashant. Guys, if I don't pronounce something correct, don't worry. So, if you accept this adoption pledge, please press the adopt button. Adopt this 28th day of September 2019. Adopt. And it'll take you to the family room. We can start the... and I'm going to show you some of the features of the tool you need to download to run this game. I actually constantly do this. I will say global brain sliders, and I can make them old, I can make them young, like 0, and I can make them 100. I like to keep them around like 43 and stuff. I always put the neglect at 0 because, you have to play every day. Luckily, hey, you can do that too. Honest, I don't know. Fleas, you don't want your dog to have fleas. You don't. And have your sickness and all that. Fatness, we probably don't want them too fat. I like keeping them full too, because they don't usually eat food. And give them a bunch of energy. I mean, I don't usually like that though, because they're running all over my screen like wee 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 wee, and I'm like, jeez. You can see it's pretty interactive actually. You can hold left click on your dog or whatever pet to pet it. Also use that to grab things. Can do this to carry a dog. Whatever reason you would want to do that. This voice recognition is that you know that has a 99% chance of not working. That's my estimate. If you have it working, great for you. Else you need some old machine. So you can actually go put them on your desktop. You should feed and play with your pets at least once a day. They'll always show you those tips at the bottom. Especially depending on what you're doing. Though you cannot open files, because this is the app. Basically, takes a screenshot of your backup. Now, have you ever wanted to take a picture of your pets except motion? Makes everything bluey. Boom! Take a different photo. Basically, then you can save them actually. I like that. Now you may have seen some of my photos. The dogs don't look like dogs. Or the cats, or whatever animal. They have some clothes on. That's where the clothes closet comes in. Give him this stylish hat. Can I give him the ears too? No. Must be a class of hat. Let's give him glasses. Yay! Now he looks too much like a nerd. Never mind. Now this looks awesome. This is so cool. But of course, we can't just talk about the game. We need to show some more features. We already know it's very interactable and open and close things and use things. I just want to show you guys my one plant garden in the backyard. I'll water it. One of the things you can do is up the speed of the game, which is actively running right now, which is doubling the speed of my game so that flower could grow quick. You can do that. Now if you want to make your own scene, or you want to have a cool scene, it'll give you this window when you go to the editor. It'll say, hello, welcome to the placing editor, blah blah blah. When you are done, you'll be able to save your placing and give it to other pets for owners, or post it on your website. You do have a website, don't you? Aha. Of course you do. Everyone cool does. I don't believe that's true today. Because I know there's probably a ton of cool people out there who have a website. Or don't. There you can see, not too interactive. We have basic things. We can go to different things. One of the key features of this is I'm trying to figure it out. Let's input a bitmap. This only, oh wait, you can't, let's not do that. So you'll do all the setup and new some interaction. You'll get an interaction thing. You get what I mean. Sorry. That allows you to make interactive things that do stuff like use TV. And if you don't want to use it, just set it off to the side. It won't operate without control. So, yeah, I actually added one of those songs back. Nice. So for some reason that was not working earlier. So I'm gonna make it load it. So first you load a bitmap. In this case we want small. Whoa. Then we'll put it on top just because that one can do it too. Can delete this one. Shush. You can hear it. It gets pretty annoying. So don't press that button too many times. Or else you'll get this. You can hear it in the background. Oh my gosh, this makes it harder when you're making it. No, you get the point. Always remember to save your work. Now, one of the things I just found out is that this game is by the people who made this game Just Dance. Honestly, they make all kinds of games I did not know they made. Now, we basically... Somehow the music doesn't play here. Though, you get the point. We have the playpen. They do tweet. You give them tweets for doing tricks there. All of your toys, you know. You can also add music for the music boxes to play, which I thought was pretty cool. Oh jeez. Have shoe. Yeah. So I'm gonna walk you through how to download this unless it, so let me just so we'll close that. So we'll close our game and I'll walk you through how to download it. First you're gonna need to get Petz 4. Pretty obvious. No, I didn't want to get it opened. Make sure you spell it with a Z instead of an S. Is this it? Probably not, huh? Nope, it is it. So I'll copy this into a text file. So I remember. Which I'm doing on my other screen. Save. Okay. So you're gonna have to download the Petz demo, which I already have downloaded. Once you download that, You'll find it wherever you downloaded it. And it's going to be in a zip file, which don't worry, and then you're going to open it. Go through the installation, make sure you save it to documents. At least that's what they say. And then you have to patch the game, because normal Windows 10, if you try and run it right now, it won't work. I'm sure it won't work even with the patch. So patch the game, you can get the patch, get the latest version. These are only if the latest version doesn't work for you. And you're gonna go through that install. Now, keep your eyes open because it's gonna probably say it can't find your game. That's when you have to tell it where the game files are, which luckily you probably remembered they're in the document folder. Next, you're gonna see purchase Petz 4 and play Petz 4. Now right click on play Petz 4. This is Windows 10, by the way, in case this don't work for you. You're gonna go to properties, and you're gonna go to compatibility, and you're gonna get one of the XP service packs, which in this case we're using service pack 2. And don't worry, it's automatically gonna run in 256 specific colors. So yeah, I mean, it's not enough to show this video the way you see it, though. I mean, you gotta give it credit. It's not a new game like even Minecraft. It's like older than Minecraft. Like the latest update for Petz A, the software that you have to download, is like from 2009. That's when they started working on Minecraft. So yeah guys, that was Petz 4. I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye guys.